Yes, you're most welcome for this program. Before we get started, please, please make sure you hit down on the notification bell down there to subscribe and like the video. It's really going to be very good for me. Do that to support me so that I can be giving you the ideas all the time. I will be also give you the knowledge all the time. Do that. May God bless you. So let us get into the practical jump into my computer right away. uh, we have something that I really wanted to put right to you. Could be that you're working for some organization and they have given you some work to do. Understand? So it's like the question is, how can you design the organization flow chart following the network of the organization or the company, starting from the big person up to the lower level of people in organization. So how can you design the organization flow chart? So here it is. I'm going to show you how you can design the organization flow chart in the Microsoft Office Word. It's really very simple. Without wasting time, let me jump into my computer and I show you right away. I hope you know how to use the Microsoft Office Word. If you are still new in the Microsoft Office Word, it will look like this. So our design is just going to be within this section here. As you can see, we are on the home tabs here, but still we are going to be using on the insert tab here. So to do that, click on the insert tab here. Then we shall be using on the shapes. As you can see, I have the shapes here. All these are the list of shapes. We have the line shape, we have the basic shapes, we have the block shapes, we have the equation shapes, all of that. But guess what, I'm going to use only this one above here. I'm going to type, I'm going to select this one, rectangle shape. Then I will draw it up here. Have you seen that? You cannot, okay, this size is good for me, this is enough for me. So to do that, now I'm going to change the color of these shapes here. This color of this shape, I don't want it. I want the color to be just blank like this. Then I come over here, I change the color. Okay, let me first let me go back here. I need to work on the shape outline. The shape outline is the boundary color, like the color here. So let me first go over here. I change it. I want it to be like this. You understand? I want to be like this. I will reduce it a little bit like this. So make sure that you enter the text, because we are going to start with the big man in the company, that is the CEO. Okay, I'm going to right click over here like this. As you can see, I have this one here, add text. So I'm going to type here in a capital letter CEO, Control A, select all. Then I will go on the home tabs to bold my heading, to bold my characters. I increase the size of the text a little bit. Maybe that is enough for me. Yeah, as you can see, this is okay. So just without wasting time, let me just copy this one instead of just going there, insert the thing step by step. I'm going to just copy this one like this. Okay, then I will just paste it anywhere like this. Control V. So I will make sure that I draw this one down. I will push it down. Because I'm going to have like two other person here. I'm going to get another one. You can't even just come over here and the home tab, then say paste. The same as Control V, like this one, same as Control V. I just put it here. Yes, maybe this is the path that I wanted to have. Yeah, okay, like this. So I will just go and click into the shapes. Then I change it. This is going to be manager. Okay, that is manager. Here is going to be the assistant manager. I will just write there assistants. So again I will get another one, control V. I will get another one because I already copied it. So I will make sure that I get another three down here. First I will again press it, control V, just like this. It's very simple. It's very simple. Control V and just copy this one. First like this. Let me first organize this one a little bit also. Alright, like that. So we are going to change the content inside the box or the shape. So this one here is going to be the 8 of finances. So I'm going to write here finances here. So like this. So as you can see, the the finances is done. I'm going to type here IT department, IT ICT depart, like that. Now here I'm going to give the HR, human resource, right? So like that, HR. Yes, so this is now good. This is good. As you can see, the size of our phone is too big. Go under home tabs, reduce it like this. Don't want something that too big. It's really not looking nice. Let it be 14. As this one also. Okay, let it be 12. Okay, like this, like this, like this, like this, again like this, like this. All right. So we are getting done. This thing is really very simple. It's really very simple. Okay, now assuming you wanted to verify your shape, what can you do? If you wanted to verify your shape, this is the format, or maybe the drawing tool for the shapes. Now to do that, you can come over here. This is what is called the shapes effects. You check any shapes effect. Let us first play with this one over here, and then I see it over here. So as you can see, the work is looking like that. It's really looking like that. Okay, I'm going to get use of these shapes here. Yes, that one. Again I go there and I get my shadow. Was it this one? Okay, just you can use any shape. But you have to be consistent with your design. As if, okay, let me just use it one. This one is a preset 6. Also let me change this one, preset 6, under preset 6. Also this one here, preset 6. This one also I change it to be preset 6. Okay, preset 6. This one also I make it to be preset 6, like that, preset 6. Okay, now we are getting done. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to make sure that I get the shape that is linking all this one. To do that, come over here. Insert tab is here. Get this line arrow shape. Draw it right there. Draw it straight like this. Okay, I'm going to stop it around here. Okay, now as you can see, our shape is not straight. Come over here. This is where you can control the form. I will make sure it is straight by changing that side. Come over here, I make it like this. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to just copy this one. You can just go under home tabs, copy and paste it. Is this one. Okay, I'm going to take this one down here. We shall be using it down there. Okay, now let me first push this one down a little bit. Yes, like that. Yes, like that. Okay, now I'm going to get the line shape. I'm going to get line shape from here, and the shape, I draw it straight. Don't worry, draw it straight. Doesn't need you to be fighting. It's very simple, nothing like fighting there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this one up. Click on the shape, take it up. Use the navigator on your keyboard. Use the navigator key on the keyboard. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this very shape here. I'm going to copy this one here, up here. Okay, I'm going to copy it. So like that, like that. Let me first is getting. Make sure you be accurate. Don't let him adjust your design. Make sure you be accurate. I'm going to copy this one. Control C, Control V. You can use the keyboard shortcut also where necessary. It really save time. Control V. Yeah, we are getting done. From there, I'm going to paste another one. Control V to paste. Let me put it down there. Let me put it down there. Yeah, yeah. Is okay. Okay. You keep checking, eh? You keep checking it. Keep checking it. Okay. As you can see, our design is now getting done. It's getting done. So this line here, I will make sure I prolong it down, right? I will prolong this line here down. So what can you do without just fighting? Just come over here. If you don't want to fight with your PC, use the automated mode, just like this. Computer is, if you know it, you will not fight. If you don't know it, you will always sweat. You will sweat very well. Yes, I know what I'm talking about. You will sweat. You sweat like never before. So you have to really know how you can use your tools. So I'm going to send this one down. I'm using my navigator key on the keyboard. There is 4 side pointing arrow on the keyboard. 4 side pointing arrow on the keyboard. That is what we call the navigator's key. That's what I'm using right now. I'm using it. So I'm going to get the other line shape here. Another line shape. I'm going to come over here. I get another line shape like this. Let me draw it right away here. Alright, so it's not that very straight. Come over here and reduce this one here. As you can see, it's now straight. Go over here under the shape style. Get this one here. Be consistent with your design. If you are using the same effect, use that one. Don't be changing your effects. Let your effects be the same. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure that okay, let me first okay, I wanted to work on this shape here. Okay, it was disturbing me, but now I've got it right. It's alright now. It is alright right away. Let me copy this one here. I don't want to be what be getting the work and yet I have it there. Control V, Control V. I already copied. Control C, Control V. As you can see, it has been copied. Use a keyboard shortcut. Learn the keyboard shortcut. It's very simple to learn. So I'm going to just prolong this one by the use of my tools here. I'm just going to use the height, increase the height. This section here, the first one is height, this is the width. So I'm going to increase the height until it is pointing my tools, my shapes, like that. Have you seen that? Yes. So you can now copy this very one, because we have to use that one for measuring our work. If the other shape they are properly aligned. So I'm going to put it here. I'm going to put it right there, like that. So we are getting done. I'm going to put it there. I'm going to put this one here. Control V. just copy and paste the shape that you know you are going to use the same kind. Yes, why do you want to be insert and yet you have the same thing that you're going to use? I'm going to position this one very well. I'm going to position it very well. I'm going to make sure that this one is like this. Okay, like that. This one also is inside. Inside. So let me take this one outside like this. Make sure that your shapes are properly aligned. Don't just leave it like hanging everywhere. Yes, so like this. So the last thing that we are going to do, we are going to group our shape, because right now if you are resizing your shapes as maybe this is the illustration. When you are resizing or you are magnifying the size, these shapes will be separated. How can you do that? You are going to select the first shapes, all the control, and never release your finger on the keyboard. Never release your finger on the control key until you are done. So I'm going to select the first item, then I hold the control key. Have you seen these changes on our arrow pointer? There is an arrow pointer with a plus sign at the back. I'm going to select it. If you are not seeing that arrow pointer with a plus sign at the back, don't click anywhere. I'm clicking there. Let me click also here. I select this one here. I repeat, if you are not seeing the arrow pointer with the plus sign at the back, don't click. You are going to lose all changes that you have made. So I'm going to select this one also. Make sure you select everything. Yes, make sure you select everything. Make sure you select all thing. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to select this one. I'll select this one. This one is, I don't know why it's disappearing. This one in the middle, yeah, it is disturbing. It has been disturbing me. It is disturbing, seriously. It is disturbing. Okay, and now I've got it very well. It thought that it is very wise. I'm better than it. It cannot defeat a big man. Okay, now finishing this one, all of this one like this. Now I'm going to, after you highlighting, you see how my shapes look right now. The look is like this. Never, don't click anywhere after selecting everything. What you're going to do, go under format here, right? Then you are going to see what is called a group. Group is next to the rotate control. Click on it, group. As you can see, my work has been grouped like this. Yes, I have it. It has been grouped like this. It will look really nice. It will look really nice. It will look really nice. So you need to have the heading. Let me just get our heading. I'm going to type here new automation technologies network. So I'm going to center line my work. Okay, center line only, not everything, but on the text, on the text, I mean the text only. Yes, make sure you center line on the text. It is disturbing. Let me start from this way. Okay, I'm going to center line it. I bold. I change my font to be Time New Roman. Like that. Time New Roman is the corporate font that you need to use it always. Any kind of document you are dealing with. Yes, so you have to use it. So as you can see, the design is really very nice right now. It's very nice. Let me uncheck this, run the spelling check, and change this one. Okay, as you can see, we are finished with designing the organization flowchart. This is the way how you can design the organization flowchart in a smooth way. As you can see right now, our work has been grouped. You can resize it, make it very small, or you make it very big. I can carry it anywhere. I can take it down. You understand? But without grouping, you will never carry it. The work will be scattered. You understand? So this is the way how you can design the organization flow chart. I hope you have learned this thing here. So never forget to like the video, share the video, drop down your comment there in the comment section. Please always do what I tell you to support me.